Today is March 4th, 2025. So, this is a house that we are about to start constructing to do a quick rescue for Mr. John. So, workmen just start lining out the space, and by grace, we will have this house finished in a week or so, by God's grace.
Hey guys, this is your girl Nadia from the Cleaning Mommy saying welcome back to my channel. So for those who have not yet seen the videos that I posted where Mr. John is concerned, you can always go and check them out there on the channel. So I'm just giving you a little recap just in case you have not yet seen them. So this is part one where Mr. John, the first interview and he was crying and all of that. Very sad guys, very sad. And now we're going to move on to part two where Mr. John is now getting help. Yes guys, he's getting help from the donors, Mrs. Claudia and Mrs. Juliet, and this is a blessing. I tell you guys, such a blessing, guys. The amazing thing that I want to that you saw in the first part of the video where this lady, this wonderful lady and her husband and our family, they are basically constructing a house for Mr. John. Guys, I can't wait to show you when the house is finished and all of that. Yep. And I'm going to this now part three, guys, where Mr. John now getting his phone and all of that. Mr. John trim up and look so different. Oh my goodness, guys, tell me, isn't this a blessing? Yes, guys, it is a blessing. And here my husband is just, showing Mr. John how to use the phone. Mr. John didn't have a phone for years. When I said years, I mean years. So now Mr. John is just learning to use a phone and all of that. And yes, he's learning because even when we call him, sometimes he answers, sometimes he doesn't. But my husband will, go from time to time and help him to learn to use it. So that is good. So guys, I'm not going to tell the name of a couple that is, building the house for Mr. John as yet. I'm going to wait on that final day when we go there and, Mr. John have his key and going into his house. And oh my goodness, guys, I'm so excited. And then I'll interview the couple and let you know, who that wonderful couple that God bless. And now they are blessing Mr. John. God, guys, oh my goodness. God is good. God is amazing. God is ready to be praised. Guys, look at this. Look at this. Remember part one, guys, when Mr. John was here crying and something. No, Mr. John is smiling. That is a blessing of God. Wow. Guys, stay tuned and you'll see the process as time goes by. I'll show you the process of the house, but I'm just going to show you a little part of it right now. Stay blessed.
So, we are now doing the foundation for Mr. John's place. Yes. So, we've got the bathroom area, we've got the room, and we're going over to this is the veranda area. Bless the Lord. Look at God. So, that is this place. Casting the foundation right now. Bless the Lord, for He is good.
Sugar. Need sugar for him. He can do oats, not sure. No one buy too much something, Don't want to buy too much at once, guys, because I'm going to store them really like that. Oh gosh. He just stopped so. Hold on, me knock up. This too much, Sean. Yeah, rat me out. You say my rat me out. This alright, not sure.
What you drinking, JJ? Something and coconut. Yeah.
You say I need them look fresh already, you know?
No.
On the job. On the job.
Yeah, I do.
My drink.
Just tired. I think someone that look fresh.
Maybe more light up so that I drink the drinks, not get nothing.
Enjoy your coconut rum and supper drink.
Thank you, darling.
Alright. Thank you. She said he's not diabetic. I was asking if he was diabetic and she said no. So I asked the nurse, guys, if he's diabetic because I was told that he is. The nurse said he's not. So he can buy some bun so he can munch on at night.
What else do I get? Cheese bread.
Cheese bread. Them saying supposed to tie that bread, you know, because the Berkey always give him bread.
But it's a cheese bread.
Different bread, not sure.
Bread with cheese in it.
Alright, give him. Brenda said he must buy a car here. They say he must buy a car. Bike if you're ready. A tree, yeah. Just realized that it's a tree. I hate this bread here, so I'll use this. It was Jamaica Day. Okay. Take up one more?
Yeah, that one, get one.
I say go? Alright, I'm just gonna go for it.
Then the right over this way.
Oh. How much that? 6? I put the thing for the bread or something?
Over this way.
Alright, man.